October 9th, 1888. A monument to unity. The opening of the Washington Monument on October 9th, 1888, marked a defining moment in American history, celebrating national unity and the legacy of George Washington. Towering 555 feet above the nation's capital, the monument stands as the world's tallest stone structure and an icon of architectural achievement. The obelisk's construction began in 1848, but due to the Civil War and political turmoil, work halted for over 2 decades, leaving the monument incomplete. It was only through the efforts of the Washington National Monument Society and public support that the project resumed in 1876. Designed by architect Robert Mills, the monument is built with marble, granite, and bluestone gneiss, representing Washington's strength and endurance as the nation's first president. Its location on the National Mall, between the U.S. Capitol and the Lincoln Memorial, symbolizes Washington's pivotal role in the founding of the nation. The monument's inaugural ceremony was a grand affair, attended by then-President Grover Cleveland, who delivered a speech highlighting Washington's legacy as a leader who united the nation through its struggles for independence. Since its opening, the Washington Monument has attracted millions of visitors, serving not only as a tribute to Washington, but also as a symbol of American resilience and unity. Its completion, decades after it was first envisioned, reflects the nation's enduring commitment to honor its founding principles despite adversity. For enthusiasts of historical ephemera, visit history-collectors.com to find collectibles that might complement your collection. You can own a piece of history.